Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is in collaboration with Babyfoot. So yes, I have their product here that I'm about to review for you. Yeah, so Babyfoot contacted me a few weeks ago and asked me if I wanted to collaborate with their product. Obviously, I love to have soft feet. I like to have foot rubs, I like to have pedicures. So to do something that was sort of foot orientated for me was really pretty good. And obviously I'm on my feet quite a lot sometimes and I do get hard skin. So this sort of product is ideal for me basically. So I thought I would give it a go. So they sent me this little pack here. I also have a discount code for this as well and I'll pop it on the screen. It's for 25% off and the code is JaneAnne25. I'll just pop it on the screen somewhere here. So if you are interested in this product after you've watched the video, then do go over. I'll leave all the details below in the description so that you can see where to get the product from. So let's get into the video. So just a little bit of background about Babyfoot. It's very well known in Japan apparently. As you can see, it says on the front there, it's been #1 in Japan since 1997. It's basically an exfoliation. So what I'm expecting of my feet is I'm going to be putting on these little booties here and I'm going to have to give you a day-by-day progress as to how my feet going. So it's not going to be everything today. It's going to be a follow-up every day. So today's going to be the first day to put the booties on. So this is lavender scented as well, which is really important. So you get a nice little scent there. So let me just read. I'll give you all the details in the description about what you need to do. But basically you've got 2 plastic booties and you basically have to put your feet in the booties, clean feet of course, and stick them in the booties and you tape them up with some tape and you leave them for a whole hour. After the hour you need to wash your feet with soap and water and then you will start to see the peel between 2 and 7 days after the application. So and the skin as well will naturally continue to peel 2 to 3 weeks later. So obviously I'm going to cover off over the next week and just to give you the results of what they do to my feet. So that's it. So let's get around to putting these on my feet. So I'm just going to open the box here. Put that to one side. Basically you've got an instructions manual as well there. Obviously there's some precautions like don't use if you're pregnant, don't use it on infants and children, watch if you're diabetic, allergic, check the ingredients to make sure you're not allergic, make sure you've not got any sores or other damage to your feet. There's loads of other little things in there that you need to read just beforehand, but the instructions are basically on the back, but I've just read them out. So I've got clean feet because I've literally just come out the shower like an hour ago, so that's all good. It also says recommend placing a pair of socks over the plastic booties to remain seated. So yeah, so don't go around squelching your feet around. So I'm gonna turn around here and watch some Netflix for a little bit. I don't know about you, but so here are the booties. Basically has the instructions again on here and the precautions on here as well. So let's just open this up. Right, so in here, they're the little tapes. There's the booties. I think what you need to do is, yeah, you've got to cut the tops off there and then you've got to leave your foot in this goo here. This is going to be fun, isn't it? So I've got my cute little slipper socks here that I'm going to put on afterwards. So I'll pop them there and let's get into getting these on my feet.
So beautiful that there is nothing like you, and I would see you in my dreams when feels like the first time. I don't know where to go, but I want you to be mine. 'Cause I'm falling in love and it feels like the first time.
Right, there we have the booties on. Right, so let's just set a timer for 60 minutes. Okay, Google, please set a timer for 60 minutes.
All right, 1 hour, starting now.
So, that is ticking away now. I'm going to leave my phone here. I'm going to enjoy some Netflix, and yeah, I'll get back to you in an hour. Right, the timer's finished out. I'm going to go and wash this baby foot off. Right, so we're just here in the bathroom and we're going to wash this off. I've had to get Sam to sort of film me right now because I don't want to fall. Walking around in these squelchy boots are a bit dangerous. So I'm going to get in the bath with my feet and I'm going to unpeel them here. The tape is really good, by the way. I can sort of smell a chemical kind of smell. They stick so well. So basically what you have to do now is take the boots off and wash them with soap. So just put them to one side. Just going to run water on my feet. I'm going to get my nice Ted Baker soap here. You have to wash them with soap, so to make sure everything's off. Right, so that's it. The hour is up. I've washed my feet and I'm going to update you guys tomorrow just to see what they look like. So I will speak to you tomorrow. Hi guys, it's like Friday night. It's been 3 days since I put on the baby foot, and the first day and second day I didn't really see much, but tonight I'm getting a little bit of peel, so I just want to show you my feet. Right, so as you can see, I'm getting a little bit of peel on the toe there, a little bit of peel here, not much there, but I'm getting quite a bit of peel on the heel. Look at that. I didn't even see it until just now. Now, so that's that foot. It's my right foot. Let's check the other foot. So, again, we're starting to have a bit of peel. Look at that. You can see it's starting to come off a little bit on the toe there. On the bottom, it's not sore at all. And it's starting to go a little bit around the heel, not as much as the other heel, but it's definitely starting to go there as well. So I will update you all in the next day or so. Hi guys, so this is day 10. I wanted to show you my feet. I didn't get loads of peel, but I believe that's because I do get a lot of foot rubs and pedicures, and my feet were particularly soft. So I am going to include some success stories as well of obviously baby foot for how they've worked for other people. While I'm talking, I'm going to show you my feet as well. Yeah, so there's been some loads of other success stories, but as you can see, mine are completely smooth and clean. There's no traces of dead skin at all. They feel pretty soft, to be honest, but I didn't get the amount of peel that other people have experienced. So I'm going to insert some pictures of some of the peel that other people have experienced, so that you can see the extent of what baby foot can do for you. So I'm going to insert that now. As you can see, they've had quite a lot of peel. So it depends on the state of your feet, basically. If you've got really dried feet, then you're going to get a really good result. If anybody is interested in buying this, you can get a 25% off. I'll leave all the info in the description. If you want to use this code, and I'll pop it on the screen here, it's JaneAnn25. I'll show it just here. You can use that code. It's also in the description as well. You can use that code to get 25% off your first option of baby foot. So go out and have a little look. Go and buy it today. It's really, really good. And as I say, it leaves your feet feeling really, really soft. Right, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Slightly different from my usual videos. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you all for the next video. Bye.